Hey there tech enthusiasts! Our tutorial today is a crucial must-have skill set for any developer, project manager, quality analyst, or anyone else who uses the Jira tool on a daily basis. We will be focusing on the detailed process of assigning a defect or a bug in Jira. By the end of this video, you'll become quite proficient at creating, assigning, and tracking defects on Jira like a total pro. Alright, so you're all logged in and ready to kick this off. Head over to the relevant project where you need to assign the bug. You'll see a button named Create. Can't miss it. Give it a click. Now you're greeted with a new issue template. That's your workspace to report a bug. Make sure to choose Bug as the issue type. Now you're all set to detail the bug. It's important to keep your summary clean and crisp because that's the first impression of the bug. Now comes the nitty-gritty part, the description. Clearly detail the steps to reproduce the bug, the expected result, and the ominous or maybe not actual result. Fill in other relevant fields like priority, environment, and attachments. The more information you provide here, the less the assignee has to guess or investigate. Effective communication, isn't it? Once you're satisfied with all the information, go ahead and click on Create, and voila! Your bug is created with its own unique ID. This little ID is what unifies your team's actions, communications, and progress towards resolving this bug. Now that our defect is created, let's talk about assigning. Open the newly minted bug ticket. Look out for a field named Assignee. That's where you can allocate the responsibility to one lucky team member. By default, Jira assumes it's you, but we both know that's not why we're here. So go ahead, change it to the user you wish to assign the bug to. Bravo, the defect is now assigned. It's now on the assignee's plate to work magic on it. As they keep working, they will also keep updating the status of the bug as per your project's workflow, moving it from to-do to in progress, and finally to the satisfaction of resolved. It's exciting, isn't it, watching a problem getting identified and then resolved in an orderly manner. That, my friends, is how you create and assign a defect in Jira. Remember, just like a skilled artist, your goal here is to provide all the colors details to the person who's painting the picture resolving defect. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon and like the video. If you've got questions or stuck somewhere, write them down in the comments section below. Let's grow together. Oh, and yes, hit that subscribe button if you want to stay updated on more such insightful, easy-to-follow tutorials. Until next time, happy debugging.